biomedical engineers in Kenya are working with experts from Hong Kong to unveil a mobile application which will ease repair and servicing of medical equipment. So far, over 60 biomedical engineers have been trained on the use of the new app known as All Trusted Medical. The biomedical engineers in Kenya says the new app will not only enhance service delivery but also create over 300 job opportunities.
We realized that after sales is really a big gap when you want to deliver good healthcare service to the patients. So we want to come in with Ahmed to settle this gap by empower the engineer, and we also provide useful tools to our engineer. So even though this event is 4-day training, but we want to continue. We start from IBD laboratory machine, but the next step will be ICU and also other machines in the country.
Here we have 60 biomedical engineers who are going to be trained on capacity building, on management of medical equipment laboratory, which we have been having a very big issue in the country on how to manage them. The 60 biomedical engineers will, when they go out, they will be able to service the medical equipment and improve on healthcare service delivery, which you know very well. Sometimes this area has not been well taken care of. But with this approach, with the partners we are going to improve on healthcare service delivery, to improve on the quality of healthcare service delivery in our hospitals.